Hey guys, Sneaky Kitty Game Dev here, and this video is going to be a very short one. I want to cover TypeDefs. So basically, what they are and their use case. Now, the one I'm going to use here is, well, unsigned long my variable. So, let me actually see what the max range of this is really quick. Alrighty, so I went ahead and assigned it to the max value that this container can hold and printed it out. So when we hit play or run, this is basically the max value that it can be. Obviously, it is a giant number, just like it is a giant type to have to type each time. So instead of having to type unsigned long every single time, we can drastically shorten that up with our own name. So for example, we know that a unsigned long is, well, 64 bits. So what we can do, or sorry, 64 bits. I don't know where I was getting there. We can do TypeDef, and the type that we're going to do this for is a unsigned long, and the name we want to give it is a uint64. That'll tell us what the type is. So now I can replace this with uint64, and we hover over it. It is of the type unsigned long, in case there's any confusion, and it still works in the exact same manner, as you can see, just like so. So again, that's basically like taking a type and renaming it. So anywhere uint64 is placed, it's getting replaced behind the scenes. It's basically just going to be a unsigned long. It's as simple as that. Nothing more to really add to it. So anyways, that's going to be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.